Hello, fabulous students. Today is Wednesday, June 17th, and it is our last official day of school together. I'd like you to tell someone at home one thing you will miss about third grade, but also one thing that you're looking forward to doing in fourth grade. There's a dance party activity as long as a Soak Up the Sun song. Today's Spirit Week Day is Vacation Day. Get ready for summer vacation. Maybe this means you're going to go outside and swim or relax or go on a bike ride. Or you might even take a virtual vacation using Google Maps to visit Disney or a tropical island. Please listen to a message from me already posted on slide 4 for the end of the year. There are also Flipgrid available so that you can say goodbye to me and your classmates as well. Remember, Miss Er's class is sharing this Flipgrid with us, so you can say goodbye to them too. You might share a favorite memory, tell them about your summer plans, or tell them about your hopes for fourth grade. Last but not least, we have our final Zoom meeting today at 10 o'clock. Please join our Zoom meeting if you can. For fun, feel free to decorate behind where your video is set up. Maybe you have streamers at home or balloons that you can blow up with your mouths and tape to the wall or the railing, or you can cut up paper and make paper chains using tape and staples. Any decorations you want, or you can just come as yourselves. I look forward to seeing you there, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.